How to add friends on BeReal. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add friends on BeReal. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is simply open the BeReal application on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your BeReal account. Now once you're logged in order to add friends, simply tap on this icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After that, you will be taken to this page where it will basically provide you three different options on the bottom side of the screen. So the first option is suggestions, where you will be able to copy your profile link by simply tapping on this option right over here. And now you can send this link to someone so that you can add them as a friend. And let's say you already have the username of someone. All you have to do is simply type in the username over here and then you will be able to add them as a friend. And if you don't have their username but you know their name, you can simply type in their name over here and then it'll provide you a list of all of the different people with the same name. So you can simply enter their full name and then once you tap on the option add, you'll have successfully sent them a friend request. And now let's say someone else has sent you a friend request. Now what you can do to view the friend request is simply tap on the option request, and then if other people have sent you a friend request, they will all show up over here and you can choose whether you want to add them as a friend or not. Now the third thing is simply go to friends. Now once you give BeReal permission to access your contacts, it will simply go through your contacts, and if your contacts have BeReal, they will simply show up over here. But as you can see, I have other contacts who are not yet on BeReal. So if you want to invite them and add them as a friend, you can simply tap on the option invite and then it'll send an invitation link so that they can create a BeReal account and be friends with you on BeReal. So that was the way on how you can add friends on BeReal. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.